Guys, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Today I have XIAOMI Redmi K70 and I want to show you how add event to your calendar on this device. Our first step is opening calendar application on our device. When we do that, we choose the day when we want to add our event, maybe 14th of March. After that we press plus icon and event. There we can add title to our event and add event to our group on Gmail or family. There we can set when event start and finish at what time, or we can set it will be all day. Repeat of our event maybe every month. We can add event to our to people calendar. Also can make video conference in the day when we have an event and time. Add location of our event if we need it. Notification of that maybe one day on the day at 9 o'clock. We can change color which we see in our calendar, and description and attachment. When we add all we need, we press save and we have it in our calendar right now. That's all. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye.